fam, it's your girl right here, aka Lilcutenurse, and back a new look for the new year. How y'all doing? Y'all are back. This is some new hair, some new me. Look, me for a little while. What y'all think? How I look? Okay. This was sent over to me, y'all, to review, and I was kind of like, oh, this color, I don't know, but the more I'm wearing it, honey. This is Vivance. If y'all want to see the specs, the ins and outs, and the details on this unit, baby, keep on watching, because honey, she giving me life, all kind of life, and I feel like I can rock this. Y'all keep on watching. Watch the video. Put me a comment below. Let me know what y'all think. Girl, no, don't do it. Or girl, you looking good. But anyway, let me introduce y'all to this new company to me. You guys may have heard of it, but I have never heard of it, and I'm feeling it. I am definitely feeling it. Okay. Talk to y'all in a bit. Here comes the video. Okay, guys. Here is the package. Oops. Here is the package that the unit came in. Vivance. I had never heard of this company, but I did a little research, and apparently Vivance is by Kiss. Okay, nice box. And let me tell y'all, this box came with everything you need to start, you know, applying your unit. We're gonna get to the unit. I know y'all want to get to it, but it's lace bun spray, some lace tint, some wax, and it says, oh, this is all the stuff that they carry. So this is Red by Kiss Xceptional, but this is not, I guess this is just all the products they carry, but I know this is a Vivance unit. But anyway, I got some Style Fixer Lace Bun Spray, 24-hour hold wax, the Red by Kiss Lace Tint. I don't know, that looks good. That looks like, yeah, that looks really good. Like it's gonna be the perfect shade for my lace. I need to get up and get a brush. And we have, oh, Xceptional, showing the new units that's coming out by Vivance. The Xceptional look. Hello, beautiful. What's inside the box? Adorn yourself with exceptional lace wigs. Okay. Vivance, you define your beauty. It says it's HD, seamless, superb, transparent lace. Super comfy, and it's glueless. And don't worry, it's curling line free up to 400 degrees. Okay. Let's get to the main attraction, y'all. Oh my. Oh my, she's a blonde beauty. I was not expecting that. Maybe in the summer out, you know. We finna see. It says this is Xceptional Unit 7 in hazelnut. But she comes in a 1, a 1B, a 2, DR21, and a DR chocolate, hazelnut, chocolate brown, DH fudge, brown, and DRH chestnut. Vivance Xceptional lace front wig. Well, I'm excited about wigs. Y'all know how much, ooh, I love wigs. This is gonna be different for me. I'm up for the challenge. That's what she looks like, and y'all, for me, it's the color. I don't know. It might work good. It might look, I don't know, but we definitely gonna put this unit on. Let's get her out the box. Oh, this hair. Wow. This does not, if you're used to the older synthetic wig, this is not that. It does not feel like that at all. The only thing I'm you know, a little shaky about is the color. Okay. Those are the knots. Y'all know I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna put her on, and we gonna see Let's see what's on the inside of the cap. The lace is real soft. Okay, we just got a part right there. Looks like 2 combs right here at the top. An adjustable strap. Okay. In a synthetic wig. Okay. And we got a wig band at the back. I keep saying okay because y'all know this color is kind of throwing me. And I'm blowed that you got blowed away. Sorry. That you got everything in the box that you needed except scissors. You know, you don't need nothing. Everything you need to, you know, more than likely this was just the way the package came, but they sell everything you need. Okay? They sell everything you need to apply your wig. This is a different color, y'all. We gonna work with it though. We gonna work with it. Let me get this lace cut off and go get a brush for the lace wig tint, which I think I'm only gonna need to open up this part a little bit, and I'll be right back. Girl, this color though. There you go. We got the lace off. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. Okay, let me take this off. I already got my little wig grip on. And this hair is so light and so soft. I mean, it doesn't feel like any synthetic wig I've had in the past, if that makes sense. But let's get it on and see what she look like. And we're gonna just, you know, we're gonna see what this color look like on me. Okay, color's not that bad. It's not a color that I would go for, but the wig itself, the way it's constructed, I like. I guess because I'm just a 1B type of person. I love me some 1B hair. Okay. You can't hardly even see the lace. And if, you know, for a more natural look, you know you would need to pluck this baby. But girl, I don't know. I'm starting to feel a little life coming in here. Let me put, and I don't need the spray because it fits real comfortable and snug on my head. I can and I am definitely gonna rock this baby glueless. I don't even need to put it in the part. This fits real good. This is not the unit for the wax or the spray. This just not the unit. You don't need it. You don't need it. And I have several that I do. I will try it in another wig. I will try it in another unit, but for this, I don't need it. I don't need it. This is cute. The more I have it on, the more it becomes me. Oh, wow. I like this. Can y'all see that part? Wow. Okay. I like it. I like it more than I thought I would. But I'm definitely going to have to be stepping out, going somewhere. Wow. This is like a true blonde, and I didn't think it would look good on me, but I like it. I like, what y'all think? Is that color me? Can I pull it off? Let me turn around and let y'all see the back. I like this, and I love this hair. I'm definitely gonna try another one of these units from here. Ooh, I like this. This needs to be a 1B. Wow, I like the unit. Is why I keep saying that. I really like it. It's super light, it's comfortable, and it's natural looking without doing anything. All I did was just pop it on, and baby, she came to life to me. I like this unit. Tell me what y'all think about her. I will put all the information below. This is the Xceptional collection by Vivance. Yeah, by Vivance. This is unit number 7. I'll put a link in the description, guys, where y'all can get her from. And I got to find me somewhere to go, because baby, who? Okay, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope y'all having a wonderful, blessed day, a blessed new year, and safe new year, and had a Merry Christmas, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.